The high vitamin C content of lemon can rejuvenate our skin from within, bringing a glow to our face. Aside from this, drinking lemon water over a certain period of time can also be helpful if you want to lose weight quicker. Benefits of vitamin C. Some of the benefits you can obtain from consuming foods rich in vitamin C are protection against prenatal health problems, eye diseases, cardiovascular diseases, immune system deficiencies, skin wrinkling and a lot more. An early morning drink on an empty stomach of lemon water can provide you the following health benefits. Number 1. Helps in digestion. Number 2. Drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach will help in flushing out toxins from the system. Number 3. Drinking lemon water helps maintain the body's pH levels. Number 4. Drinking lemon water can help you maintain the calcium and oxygen levels in the liver. Number 5. Lemons have powerful antibacterial properties as it contains pectin fibers which are valuable for your colon. Number 6. Lemon contains a great source of citric acid, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Number 7. By regularly drinking lemon water, you can prevent the multiplication and growth of pathogenic bacteria that cause infections and diseases. Number 8. Lemon helps in protecting our body against the immune system deficiencies, as it is rich in vitamin C. Number 9. Lemon water can help dissolve uric acids, thus reduces pains in knees and joints. Number 10. After doing some exercises, lemon water can help you in replenishing body salts. Number 11. Helps in curing a common cold. Number 12. Helps in nourishing nerve and brain cells. Number 13. Lemon water helps in protecting skin from skin problems like acne, rashes, wrinkles, and other skin diseases. Number 14. Helps in strengthening liver by supplying energy to liver enzymes. Number 15. Helps in protecting eye as well as fights eye problems. Number 16. Drinking lemon water will help in reducing your overall body weight.